So we're back at the New York State Fairgrounds for the Syracuse Nationals, and it's the largest car show in the Northeast. So check out the cool cars with us and enjoy the video.
Back in 1995, the National Street Rod Association made its way to Central New York to hold its annual car show at the New York State Fairgrounds. Bob O'Connor, founder of the Syracuse Nationals, told himself if they didn't come back, he would put his own car show together. During the late 90s, it was clear they weren't coming back to Syracuse. So Mr. O'Connor put together a deal and formed his own car show and called it the Syracuse Nationals. The first Syracuse Nationals was held in July of 2000, and it had over 4,300 cars and trucks roll through its gates. "23 years later, it is the largest car show in the Northeast and one of the largest in the country. There were so many cars to see, it was almost impossible to capture everything in one video, so we recommend you come out and make it a weekend trip.
So fun fact about the New York State Fairgrounds is they have these locations, I think there's 2 of them. They're nursing stations / changing stations, and they're nice secluded areas away from like the public restrooms, and they're AC, and it's super convenient because if you have a baby that's like overstimulated from the crowds or it's just too much going on, you have a nice quiet area for the baby to kind of focus on getting changed and fed. So